All right, here was a second sound sample from ATB, Twisted Love. Once again, all the credit goes to the artist, as usual. I'll put that on my YouTube video. Anyways, here we go.
I will find mistakes in the lines of your face when you say my name. Because when this ends, I'll want someone to blame. Isn't that twisted, my love? Isn't that twisted? My love, I am so twisted. My
So, anyways, yeah, that's the Hertz Mille Legend 1650.3 being the third version of the Melees. Anyways, they're smooth as butter. Anybody that tells you otherwise, I don't know. I wouldn't value their opinion. I've tried every single Hertz speaker now in my car, and of course, okay, you spend the most money on those ones, and of course, they're the best speaker. Like I said, I have the sound deadening throughout my car, except for the trunk. That'll be the last place that I got to do my sound deadening in. The next step after this is adding my Audison 10-year-old brand new VRX 6.420 amp. And then eventually you're going to see where that Alpine logo is. There's going to be the tweeter's going to be put in there along with a mid, and I'm probably going to go with the 2.5 inch Audio Frog GB 25s. I was looking at the Melees. The Melees ML700 is a 3-inch. I might still go with that one. Or I'm going to go with the Audio Frogs, which is a little bit smaller and is supposed to be a great speaker as well. So anyways, that is it for me. As you can see, that's a FiO X5 Mach 3 is that I'm running my music out of. It's just going through the headphone output into auxiliary jack, so it's using the DAC on the FiO. Eventually it's going to go on this side and it's going to go coax out once I get the Helix DSP Pro MK2, which I'll probably have within I'd say a month or so. Anyways, I'm really happy with the sound quality on this. It was a pretty drastic difference for sound quality. My 165 XLs might have been a tad bit louder, but not much. But these are so much of a cleaner speaker. I can't even explain to you how much better they are. They're definitely worth the money. If you don't want to spend $1,300-1,400, which is, I'm in Canada, so that's what they cost here retail. You could probably get it a little bit cheaper, obviously, if you go into certain stores to give it to you a little bit cheaper. But if you can find a used good pair, for whatever, $400 or $500-600 or whatever, I definitely buy them. I've had Focal Utopias, I've had KRX2s. I actually have another set at home of the Focal that I showed you on one of my other videos. The KRX, or not the KRX, but the KR2 Power Series, which is like one step down from the KRX2s. They're decent speakers though. I like the ML280 tweeter, probably is my favorite tweeter out of any of, I would say, $2,000 speakers and under. Obviously the Esotar 2s make a incredible tweeter, and of course the Morel Supremos, but you know what, I would still put these up against the majority of the tweeters that are out there these days. I think they're silky smooth. That's all I gotta say. It complements the mid, your woofer. If you had a 3-way system, it complements it greatly. I don't think I'm ever gonna replace these tweeters. I think they're incredible tweeters. That being said, that's it. I'll be doing a lot more videos, car audio, some gaming, off the PS4 Pro and the Xbox One X. I'll be doing some videos on that, on different games on there as well, but I'll be doing a lot more car audio as my system comes into play. All right, thanks guys. Have a good day. Bye.